We have presented the logo to the client as shown on the screen. After getting client description, created mind map to set an idea for a logo design. Done some researches in Google regarding font or images. Started sketching on a paper. We will be creating a heart shape using a new technique today with the help of pen tool. Actually, the heart shape can be created using ellipse tool or rectangle tool also, but today I have used some different technique. So you can see with the help of pen tool I have created that small rectangle type and then increase the stroke size, then change the stroke to the rounded cap, and after finishing that go to object and expand the fill and stroke, and this way a heart is created. Now we will be creating a plus sign with the help of rectangle tool as shown on the screen. In this logo we will be using a negative space method. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel for more such videos. My channel is basically on logo design, so it will be very helpful for the logo designers. If you have any query or any other logo design to be created, then comment me in the comment box. So this way negative space is utilized. A monogram is created. A client requirement is about the color is using blue and green. Blue represent trust and green represent health. So we will be using that both color combination. Generally I use the font Gotham and Futura, but this time I will be using some new font that is Glory. After creating a logo, we will be seeing the how to position the icon and the type letter or logo name, you may say. So this way it is centralized as shown on the screen. Hope you like this video. And for the client presentation, we will be using mockup as shown on the screen. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.